Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE Group, Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, says that the JSE has been advancing the Jamaican financial ecosystem through a strategic and comprehensive approach to market growth. Dr. Street Forrest, who was presenting at the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange Capital Markets Conference 2024 on Wednesday, says that the approach is twofold. Her presentation was entitled Unveiling the Blueprint, Building a Well-Diversified Stock Market for Sustainable Growth. She outlines the first way in which the company assists with market growth.
The JSE, through this journey, has involved a focus on teamwork, shared vision, and a deep understanding of market nuances. We did a survey when we saw that our numbers we were having more delisting than listings. And the fact is, at the end of that survey, when we surveyed both investors and issuers, persons did not know about the exchange. They really did not have as much information. So if you don't know about a thing, you are not going to participate in that thing. So the focus was in really combining our efforts to ensure that both individual partners, stakeholders share the vision that we had for the growth and economic empowerment of Jamaicans.
The JSE Managing Director pointed out that collaboration is essential at all stages of the process.
So collaboration has been essential at every single stage, whether it's working alongside the government to strengthen the regulatory framework or with the intermediaries and the financial institutions to roll out new products. Teamwork and unified purpose have made Jamaica capital market what it is today. And I think probably you would have wanted to hear me talk about products and services, but it's not that. It is finding that common purpose and deciding that what is the objective, and we work towards it.
The second part of the approach is through investment in education.
Education has been another critical part of our strategy. Just up front, we spend 20%, at least 20% of our overall expenditure budget on market education, because we did not feel that we could achieve the objective otherwise. So we went about educating the issuer, the investor, and also the intermediaries, so that everyone was singing from the same hymnal. We had to do that because we realized that there was a gap.
The Jamaica Stock Exchange will actually be hosting its National Investor Education Week from November 3 to 7, 2024. Now, Dr. Street Forrest also outlined some aspects of what investors are educated about.
For issuers, we provided resource and guidance on what it means to list on an exchange, help them to understand the growth and funding opportunities that are available, not just the opportunity of listing or getting equity finance, but all the opportunities relating to capital markets. For investors, we offered workshops, we went to workplaces, we looked at new recruits from the army, and we said, we are coming, or new recruits from the police, teachers, anywhere there was anything that was a graduation, we are coming to you. So this is the sort of approach that we did. And then we used seminars, digital workshops designed to increase financial literacy.
JSE's Managing Director, Dr. Marlene Street Forrest. The Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange Capital Markets Conference was held under the theme, Charting New Horizons, Accelerating Growth with Diversification and Seizing Digital Opportunities. Other speakers at the one-day conference included BOJ's Governor Richard Biles, Governor of the Bank of Guyana, Dr. Gobind Naouth, and Eva Mitchell, CEO of the TTSE, among others.